Hey, what's going on YouTube? We got a iPhone 12 Pro Max. Just got delivered, one in gold and one in Pacific blue. Let's crack them open. Let's see here. All right, there's the Pacific blue. It was kind of a guessing game as to what color was going to be in what box. Oh my God, it's hard to get out of there. Ah. All right, so let's open the Pacific blue first. Ooh, shiny and pretty. Those cameras are huge. Oh, that metal is freezing around the outside. So there's the Pacific blue front. All right, now let's crack open the gold one here. Gold packaging. Ooh, pretty. All right, let's crack this bad boy open. Oh, look at that. That gold is hot. It's very nice. All right, give the video a thumbs up, click subscribe down at the bottom there, and share the video. Thanks for watching.